You are welcome to our data analysis class. In our previous class, I talk about Power Query, how to use Power Query for your analysis. Let's move to class. So, this is our data. This is a sales data that we are going to be using for creating dashboard. What we do here is we have to highlight the data because we have cleaned the data. But before moving forward, I will show you how to work on this data. We have to highlight the data. You click on alternative plus space to highlight the main data, not the whole Excel worksheet. So you click on the alternative, then go to data. When you go to data, let's go up a little. When you go to your data, after highlighting the table, it is very important to highlight your table. You can change the color to anyone you like, but I prefer the blue color. So when you go to data, let me show you what we want to do. This is our Power Query. This is our Power Query. After we go to data and select our table, it leads us to our Power Query. I have done the cleaning here. I just want to show you what we need to see in this data. This is table 1. I will show you the difference in this table 1 and table 2. Table 1, look at our data in the column. We have the quantity, the purchase, the manager, the profit. These are our apply steps, all what we have done in the data here. So in table 1, if you check the date, you will see a red line which shows error. You can come here in the filter and you can make the date to either be in form of year, quarter, month, day, hour, just to select to avoid that red line there. So that is what is in table 1. You can see the quarter, the month, the week, the day, the hour, the minutes. So if you check table 2, you know we don't have any red line here. It's because of the format. So in table 2 here, the manager column, the names are written properly. The names are written properly. So I want to take it back to the Excel format. The Excel format, I'll close and load. Because the column here in manager, the name were not accurate. So I will take it back to the Excel format because I have already cleaned it here in the Power Query so that you can still know how to clean your data in Power Query or in Excel. So this is the clean data in. After loading back, it's going to come here as a clean data. It's loading. This is the color it brought back. You can change. Then this is the unclean data. This is the clean data here. The clean data which I already saved that we want to use to build our dashboard. But before building our dashboard, look at this average number here. That is the average number of the order ID, the count, and the sum. For the profit also, we have the average number average number, and the count and the sum. Why I'm showing you this is because I will still show you what we have in our dashboard, how to use AI to simplify our workflow to create our dashboard. So when you want to create your dashboard on Excel, you open a new sheet and we name it as dashboard. Then we have to remove this grid line here. We remove this grid line. How do we remove the grid line? You will go to the view tab, and click on uncheck. You uncheck that mark there and grid line. This is a plain worksheet without a grid line, no column, no row. Let's check our dashboard. This is a beautiful dashboard that was built by a Claude AI. Claude AI. Can you see it? This is the format, this is the prompt I wrote. This is the data. The data I cleaned from my Power Query. I uploaded it here. So this is the data. This is our data. This is the clean data, and this is the dashboard. What you just need to do is make sure you clean your data before taking it to AI, Claude AI. As a data analyst, I want to use this uploaded Excel clean data to create a good interactive. This is the prompt I wrote for it, and it worked on it for a few minutes. It returns some result. This is the prompt. This is the result of what it gives me. You can see the total revenue here while I was showing you in the Excel the same average number and the sum of our profit. This profit, I will rename it to revenue. This is the same value I have in my dashboard here. It's the same thing here. We always ensure our data is clean so that we have accurate values, accurate total revenue. So I will still show you how I got this profit, because in our unclean data there was no profit there. The raw data does not have profit. You can see I only have my price and quantity. So I will show you how I was able to get the profit. So let's go to the query. I'll take it back to the query here. This is the profit here in my clean data, because I used Power Query to get the profit. So I can still show you how I was able to get my profit. So we can just click on the one of the query, the table here. Yes, table 1. Let's use table 1. You can see table 1. This is the order ID. You can preview it there. Click on this so that you will know how to get your revenue or your profit by calculating it using the price and quantity. What we need to do in Power Query here, we just need to, this is the profit I did here in my Power Query. If you have not watched my video on Power Query, please go back to my YouTube and watch the video on how to use Power Query for data analysis. So what I will do here is I will go to the price, we go to the add column, go to add column. We will need to get a new column so that you'll be able to see how I solve it there. You click on add column, then click on the custom column. It will open a new column for you where you will be able to calculate the price and quantity as products to get your total revenue. You can rename the custom here, rename your column name here as profit, or let's use revenue. So How do we get it? You click on the price. You can see all the headers name here. We use the price, insert it there, and you times together with quantity. When you click it, insert it, then okay. This is how to get your revenue in Power Query. You can see how fast it is. So we are going to select one of it because we still have the same number, the same value. So what we do is we delete this profit from this column before we load it back into our Excel. We need only one of the column. So what do? We just will delete the one I did for revenue and rename this as revenue, profit to revenue. So that is how to calculate your revenue in Power Query, or whatever you want to calculate there. You come back and load it here. Because of our time, what we want to do here is how to create our dashboard using AI. You will love this. You will love this. So we'll take it back. Just need to take it back, load, and continue. So we are back to our Excel. This is the data we use to build our dashboard. This is the clean data I use to build the dashboard, because this is the dashboard. Can you see how beautiful the dashboard is? When Claude AI has already given you your result, this is the data. You can see this is the order ID. Remember, I show you the count here is 84. The count here is 84, while our dashboard there I have 83. Why is it that? Because of the order ID that make it 84, but here I have 83. The data, the dashboard is very accurate, very accurate. If you have cleaned your data very well and you give it to AI, this Claude AI, Claude AI, it will give you a very accurate result. You just need to download your sales data here. Download it. I've downloaded it before. You just need to download it, and you can take it. You can go and change the color. If you don't like this color it's given to you, this is an interactive dashboard. If you don't like this color, when you take it back to your Excel, you can see all what is here. The type of chart it used to generate your dashboard. Look at the sales data here. Look at the summary, very accurate and clean. Instead of using the Power Query to do other things, just like the Power Query to solve, it can even solve them for you. Look at our chart here, all the chart that we use to get the dashboard. Can you see how AI was able to simplify the work? All you just need to copy the chart and paste in the blank space where you want to generate your dashboard. So you can see this is it. Very beautiful. So what we do next is, let me take this from here. You go to your download so that you can see the downloaded dashboard, the downloaded result. Your AI was any AI tool you use, so you can be able to copy your dashboard or change the format, the color, or whatever you want to do. If you don't like that color, you can change the color. You can do whatever you want to do. So let it load for us. Let's wait for it to load. It's loading. Wow, this is our sales performance dashboard. This is absolutely great. Enable it so that you can edit something. Can you see our data? Can you see? It gave you a very good name, a very good title. Look at our chart. Look at the color. Look at what is there. This is so powerful. This is so good. This is so fast. This is the chart. So you can come here after downloading it to start arranging them properly. To start arranging your dashboard properly. If you are a good data analyst, you will know if this result is accurate or not. You can see. So now let's arrange them properly. This chart here, you can change the color. If you don't want this place to be white, you can change the color. You can you see, you just have a little work to work on. You change the color. You change the color to fit your choice. This is a good dashboard. Any color of your choice. Those that know how to design, you can change the color, because dashboard should have a very simple color, not just anyhow color. You can make the color simple and to make sure it blends together with the chart. Also, we change this color. We don't need to use multiple color in dashboard. So these are the colors we have here. These are the colors I'm going to be using. I can any color of your choice to fit the dashboard. You can change the color. To make sure that any color you are using must not affect your written text. Any color you use you should be able to see your information clearly, the text and the numbers there. So you can rearrange this chart to fit in the worksheet. You can crop it. You can crop it. You can also change the color, this white color here, but let's crop our chart first so that everything will fit properly. You can change this particular this color here, our title. You can change the color to fit. We don't want a very cloud color. So let's continue from here. Let's arrange our chart properly. Everything must be in good alignment. You are not affecting any of the images. You just need to crop it so that everything must be in good alignment. Arrange them well so that at the end of the day your client or your company will understand what you have done. So we just need to arrange the chart well and change the color, the background color here to any color you want. You can still use the same color you have used before for the other chart. So arrange them well. Can you see our dashboard? If you notice you haven't done anything else like your slicer, you can still go ahead and use to create your slicer. But you can see how fast AI has helped us here. You can change the white background of the Excel worksheet to another color. Instead of this white, you can fill the background with a very good color. So this is a dashboard. This is AI automated dashboard. We can use AI to simplify our workflow. So anything you want to do here, you can do them. If you notice the text here is too small, you can come and increase the font, the text font here. Increase it so that you can be able to see what is there. So Instead of building your dashboard manually, first of all, clean your data, and then you will be able to work faster. So increase the font size so that you can see everything well. So this is a wonderful, beautiful dashboard created by our Claude AI. This is the sales data. Can you see how it has helped you to work on it in the Excel format? This is the downloaded analysis done by Claude AI. You can see the date format here. Why it's like this is because it is in a general format. We have to just go to general. The date format here, we need to change it to avoid this. We are seeing, you can see this profit here. The same thing we did for our Power Query. The month and the date was extracted from the date. The month number was extracted from the date. So this is what we are able to get. You can simplify your work using AI as a data analyst. So the date format here, let us go and change it. Let's go up. You can just click on one of it and come and change it here. Up here in the general, it is in costume. You change it to date, short date. So this is our date here, but we want everything to be changed, so we just need to highlight everything, highlight the whole row of the date and change it to our short date. So this is our date now. Can you see it? So you don't need to stress yourself much while analyzing any data. This month, this date here is, and the month, can you see the month here written in text format? So this is it. You can change the color of your header in the Excel. You can change the header's color by filling it. This is the summary of your data. This is the summary of your data analysis done by your AI. So you can use this for presentation to explain better in your organization or during your presentation. So we can still also fill the background of this worksheet. You can change the color to fit. You can change the color. I'm just showing you how you can change the color. So we need to use a specific color, a background color, but I'm still going to leave it the way it was before. So if we are good at color selection, you should know the best color to use in your Excel, in your dashboard, or whatever you want to use the color for. So this color is too deep. I don't need the color. I can change it, can take it back to a very good color so that it will not affect my text. So different colors are available here, different colors. So I'm taking it back to the color I got from my AI, my artificial intelligence tool. I'm going to change the color back. So I'm taking it, I'll undo it and take it back to the right color that fits. So I am control Z to undo. So this is the real and the good. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so to subscribe now. Thank you. Like and share. You might be helping someone that needs this. Thank you.